back to Lucas Show Toys. So today we have the Trash Pack 12 pack. Includes 2 special edition frozen trash. And this 12 pack will surely be trashalicious. So let's get into this. And that was a good one. So here is this guy. Right here. Here. And I'll get the pamphlet out. Pamphlet. Let's find his name. His name is here he is. He is Whacked Wasp. This is Whacked Wasp right here. And then I already know this guy. Food of the World, Snotty Schnitzel. Snotty Schnitzel. If you guys know how to pronounce it the right way, well then you can do that. On to the big bit. I always do the big bit first. This is actually my first unboxing on the... Oh yes, I got Doo Diaper.
Hey, you wanted him.
Yeah, I did. This guy is a dupe. I'll be selling him on eBay. Or I'll be trading him. Yes, I got Doo Diaper. Awesome. Cool. I always wanted this guy. I always wanted Doo Diaper. Here's Doo Diaper. This guy is a dupe. This guy's a dupe. We don't have this color. Oh.
Bless you.
This guy is, I wanted this guy. I wanted this guy. And this guy's a dupe. And this guy's a dupe too.
So we got a lot of dupes.
4 dupes actually, only 4. Oops.
No, turn them this way.
Yeah, there, so you guys can see. 4 dupes? Hey, wait a minute, why'd I put him there? He's a dupe. So 4 dupes and 4 no dupes. Now, yeah, on to our other ones. I'll get those out, Mom. Okay, on to our other ones. Ah, cool. That guy's cool.
He is.
Hey, wait a minute, he's on the pamphlet. Yeah, there he is, right there. He's right there. On the pamphlet. It's cool. Let's look this guy's name up. Okay, where are you? Okay. I'll try to get this guy, guys. Oy, oy, oy. Where is this guy? Is he full trash?
Show him, and somebody can leave a comment for you if they know.
Yeah, if you guys
Show him up.
know, if you know this guy's name,
Okay,
then leave it in the comment below.
there you go. 2 more.
So 5 ones. Yeah, that's right, 5. Now our last 2 bins. Onto our frozen trash. Oops. Hope I don't get a dupe of these guys. Hope I don't. Oh, this is the dupe. We have this guy in pink.
Okay.
We have this guy in pink. Cool. Wait. No, wait. This guy is... Wait a minute. Where are they frozen? Isn't the... Wait, oh, there it is. I didn't take it out yet. Hey! There you go. And we have... No, he's not a dupe.
Oh, good.
So we have 5 dupes and 1, 2, 3, 7 new ones. So that's our video, guys, and thumbs up and comment below. See ya. Bye.